ichlor 30 salt system. The salt light is solid red. However, the salt in the water is 3,500 ppm. Bad flow switch, question mark?
We haven't used those ichlor systems yet. That's Pentair's other, if it's the one I'm thinking of. There are other things, so I don't really have an answer for that. I'd have to see it.
What are the ranges for the salt level Pentair versus chlorine that you're aware of?
Well, Pentair in general, like their IC systems, they want roughly 3,600 parts per million, but around 3,000 you're fine. So if they're at 3,500, I mean, could be a calibration issue. It could be the flow switch, simply because at least with the IntelliChlor system, you get a more accurate reading or you get a really skewed reading when the flow switch goes, because it's also working on resistance, I think, sending back the temperature, so it gives you kind of readings all over the place. So it's a possibility, but I don't know how those ichlor systems are set up, or if we're even talking about Pentair. Could be talking, I don't know what ichlor is, so I'd have to look it up. I don't think that's Jandy's smaller system. That's like the
True Clear.
Yeah, that's the True Clear or the AquaPure. As far as I know, Hayward just has the Gold Line system, the T Series. So if it's an off-brand, got me, don't know. If it is Pentair's, their smaller system that they have now, first time I saw them was 2 days ago at the show, because I haven't seen any on any pools yet in this area, at least.